Here, in the last topic, we discussed about the K-map and how do you mean by K-map and types of K-map. Here now, we solve the equation by using K-map. The following three equations are given. So let's solve the equation. First equation is our a bar a b plus a bar b. In this equation, we use two variables, that is a and b. So here we for plotting use a two variable K-map. So let's draw structure of two variable K-map. So for this side a and b. Okay, so for a 0 and 1, for b 0 and 1. Let's plot equation into this structure. So a means here, that is a bar a bar b bar b. Okay, so a b bar here is 1, then a b here, a bar b means here, remaining is 0. Let's solve this. Here is a two adjacent ones. So this is the chord number 1, pair number 1. Now we solve for this side. Here is 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 is cancel. Okay, both are opposite term, so for this side 0 and 1 cancel. From this side b is only remain. Okay, now second take a pair y2. So from this side, if you consider this side, there is only a, it's consider, not a bar. So here is a bar. From this side b and b bar both are considered, so these are the opposite term 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 is cancelled, so remaining is a. Now final equation, y is equal to y1 plus y2. So equation is a plus b. So this is the solution of first our equation by using K-map. Okay, now second equation. Second equation is here is given. What is the second equation? Solution of second equation. Equation is abc plus ab bar c plus abc bar plus a bar b bar c bar plus a b bar c bar. In this equation, three variables are used. Three variables a b c. So we using the three variable K-map. So let's draw the structure of three variable K-map. So here a b and this side c. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. For this 0 and 1. So this is a bar b bar a bar b a b a b bar. This c bar and is c. Okay, now let's do doing the plotting. So first term is a b c. So here is a b and here is the c. So here is the 1. Okay, second term is a b bar a b bar. Here is the c. Here is the 1 come. Then a b c bar, here is 1. Then a bar b bar c bar a bar b bar c bar, here is 1. Then a b bar c bar, here is 1. Other terms are 0. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 ones, 1 2 3 4 5 5 ones. Okay, this is our chord. So how to solve this chord? This chord as we take as a y1. Here is for this side, these two terms are decided, ab and ab bar. So for b there is opposite term 1 and 0, so that cancel. So remaining is a. And from this side, upper side, 0 and 1 both are opposite terms, so that cancel. Okay, here is also 1 is remain. Okay, so take it as a pair from overlapping. This is called as a y2. Okay, let's from this a and b bar, a b bar, a bar b bar, let's a are opposite terms, a bar and here, so that terms are cancelled, remaining is b bar. And for this side c bar is only taken, not 1, so c bar is taken. So final equation is y is equal to y1 plus y2. So a, b bar and c bar. Okay, so this is we solving here three variable equation by using a three variable schema. Let's next equation, a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar, a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar. Here is in this equation four variables are used. In the equation four variables are used. Let's draw the structure of four variable. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, done. This is the four variable structure. Now we're doing the plotting. Okay, so a bar, first term is a bar, b bar and c bar. So here is a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a, b, c, d bar. So no, a, b bar. So c bar, d bar, c bar, d, c, d, c, d bar. So first term is a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar here. Next term is a bar, b bar, c bar, d. A bar, b bar here. Then c bar, d here. Next term is a bar, b bar, a bar, b bar, c, d here. Then a bar, b, c, d here. Then a, b, c, d, a, b, c, d here. Then a, b, c, d bar here. A, b, c bar, d here. Then a, b bar, c, d here. A bar, b bar, a bar, b bar, c, d here. So a bar, b, c bar, d here. A bar, b, c, d bar here. Okay. So in this equation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 4 4 11 terms are here. So number of ones are should be 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No, so one here is one ones are remain. Why this remain? Because some this two terms are in these equations are same. Therefore this and these two terms are same. So one plotting is same, म्हणजे एकसारखंच प्लॉटिंग येत आहे, त्यामुळे एक वन कमी होतोय आणि बरोबर 10 वन्स येत आहेत. ओके, सो बाकीचे टेक ॲज 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. ओके, नाव वी सॉल्व. लेट्स कन्सिडर ऑक्टेट आहे का याच्यामध्ये? तर नाही आहे, जवळजवळचे 8 वन्स नाही आहेत. ओके, सो दॅट कॅन्सल. नाव कॉड आहे का याच्यामध्ये? तर आहे. इथे जर बघितलं तर इथे एक कॉड होते. नाव सॉल्व दिस कॉड फॉर दिस साईड. Let's take this side. 0 and 1 cancel, b is remain, and from this side 1 and 0, d is cancel, c is remain. Okay, first chord solve. Then another is one is chord here. So solving this, from this side 0 and 1 cancel, what is a b is remain. From this side c is cancelled, d is remain. This is the equation of this. Okay, now this is also one chord. For this side 0 and 1, b and b bar is gone, remaining is a bar. From this side 0 and 1 gone, remaining is D. Okay, here is 1 remaining, here is 0. If we taking this called as a pair, so from this side A bar, B bar, from this side D bar and D gone, remaining is a C bar. Okay, now for this we're taking as a pair, so this is from this side B and B bar gone, remaining is A. For this side CD. So we are solving this 4 variable schema. Now final equation is A bar D plus BC plus ACD plus BD plus A bar B bar C bar. This is the final solution of third equation that is contain 4 variables. So here we discussing 2 variable equation, solving using 2 variable K-map. Here is 3 variable equation by using a 3 variable K-map, and here is a 4 variable equation by using a 4 variable K-map. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and like the video.